Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to level up fast in Palmon Survival. If you're trying to level up fast in Palmon Survival, the game basically rewards you for playing smart rather than just playing longer. And I learned that the hard way after running in circles farming weak enemies like I was training for a marathon I didn't sign up for. The fastest progress usually comes from combining daily quests with efficient grinding, since those early missions give some of the best XP returns, without forcing you into overly difficult fights. I've noticed that farming enemies slightly above your level works best because you get better XP without slowing yourself down too much from constant defeats. Going too high level too early just turns progress into a slow motion struggle, which honestly feels like trying to fight a boss while your Wi-Fi is on vacation. Keeping your Palmon team up upgraded also makes a huge difference, since faster battles equal more XP per minute, and that adds up quickly. High spawn rates areas are especially useful because you can chain fights without wasting time roaming around. If the game gives XP boosts or event bonuses, those are basically free speed boosts for leveling, so it's worth saving them for grinding sessions. In the end, the real trick is stacking everything together: quests, smart farming, and upgrades, so your progress keeps snowballing instead of crawling. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.